Today I am going to be showcasing Woodstock, Georgia, and I decided that I was going to start this video off here in front of Lifetime Fitness. Why? Because number one, I need to be back in the gym. Number two, everyone knows where Lifetime Fitness is in Woodstock. There's only one, and this is the one. It's a huge, wonderful sports facility, phenomenal gym. There's cafe, there's a great indoor, outdoor pool, there's saunas, there are all the things that you would expect to get at a Lifetime Fitness. So I am here in Woodstock off of Highway 92, which is the main thoroughfare in Woodstock. Those that know Woodstock know exactly where I am, probably know where I am in the parking lot because Lifetime is only displayed on one part of the building. So anyway, I have picked out a few great communities for you. 3 neighborhoods that I really like. 3 different price points, 3 different price ranges, so you can see. And they range anywhere from below 500 to below 800. And there's 3 different communities, starting from a 3-bedroom, then I have a 4-bedroom, and I have a 5-bedroom. So, hello. So I am taking you on a wonderful tour in Woodstock, Georgia. This quaint community is phenomenal for those that are more oriented to getting to know their neighbors, and it has a lot of walkable space. It has a neighborhood pool, a clubhouse, walking trails, and guess what? It has a lake. So this cutie behind me is a ranch. As you can see, it's a brick ranch. $498,400. So we found something in Woodstock below 500,000. $498,500. 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. Comes in at 2,062 square feet, and that is going to bring it in right at $242 per square foot. That is about average for the homes in the area that I'll be showing you, as well as this community does have an HOA that covers the exterior maintenance as well as the landscape for all of the properties. So I'm just going to show you around a little bit. It's very, very quiet, very nice. As you can see, with having the landscape included, everything is pruned properly. It looks very nice. Neighborhood is very quiet, put together very, very well. $498,400 get you into this lovely community with a lake, a clubhouse, a pool, and walking trails. You can make this home your home. 3 bedrooms, 3 baths. There are various different floor plans out here. They do also have a 2-car garage. The one that I was featuring has a basement as well. 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom is in the basement. The other 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms are on the main level. So that really gives you a lot of square footage at 2,062. Very open floor plan to be able to spread out and do your thing. I am going to see about showing you the pool. Of course, it's a nice, beautiful day, so it is being occupied. I don't want to get in anyone's way or mess up their privacy, but everybody's waving. Very, very nice community. Let me cross the street. You might be able to hear. So you'll also be able to see the clubhouse. The clubhouse is behind me, as well as the pool. $498,400. I'm so excited to be able to show you the next property because these homes are gorgeous that I picked out for us today. All right, here's the clubhouse. You can see they have community news box so people can stay connected to each other. I'm gonna walk around this way. Shows you maximum occupancy, 78 people. Pretty good sized pool. All right, I am at a beautiful community. This particular home that I'm going to be featuring is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath in Woodstock, because of course I'm featuring Woodstock today. It is $785. Directly behind me, $785, comes in at 4,443 square feet. That is a huge home, 2-story with a basement. So that's right around $177 per square foot. And we have this beautiful, beautiful classic home behind me. I am walking on the beautiful walking trails that they have. We love sidewalks and communities because that allows for children to play or ride their bikes safely. This one also has like a center green space area where people can congregate or maybe have extra parking, have their dogs walking around, and there's a place for you to clean up behind the puppies as well. So here in Woodstock, you tend to get a little bit more home for your money because you're on the northern, not the northernmost, but a northern suburb of downtown Atlanta. So you're able to get to downtown within 25-30 minutes without traffic and have all the niceties of what you would expect in a suburban area for your house. This community is very, very quiet, as you can see. Lovely tree-lined streets. Very, very nice neighbors. Behind me, you see a lake. Hopefully you can see that lake, but there is a lake that you have access to that only the people in the community have access to. And this beautiful neighborhood can be yours for under $800,000. If you were a little bit closer in, of course, this home would probably go for closer to $1 million. But here, because you are on the outskirts of Atlanta, you do have the ability to get more for your money. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. I am in the green space now. And if I had my blanket, I'd take you along with me while I had a little lunch right out here. But I wanted you to be able to see. So anyway, $785, $177 per square foot is the average. This home was built in 2015. And they're very, very well maintained. 4,443 square feet, 2-story with a finished basement, 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath. What a steal. Okay, I'm at another community here in Woodstock, Georgia, a northwestern suburb of downtown Atlanta, probably 30 minutes away. Today, or this neighborhood, I want to feature a home that's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, 2-story, coming in at $650,000. The home is directly behind me. It is beautiful. 2,720 square feet, which is just under $240 a square foot, making this home a very, very attractive buy. The community is quaint, very well maintained. The HOA, which stands for Homeowners Association, is approximately $97 a month. And there is a walking trails, there are lakes, gazebo, pool, and a playground. So I'm just going to show you some of the homes here, as they are all so different but very, very lovely. Love the fact that they're not cookie cutter. They don't all look the same, so you won't have to worry about which one of these homes is mine at night if you come in after partying. So anyway, as you can see, majority of them have fenced backyards or gated backyards. Very, very lushly landscaped, and a great place to walk around, get your exercise, have your children come out. School bus comes in here. So you won't have to worry about that. The schools are very close. And these homes range from the mid sixes to the upper 700,000s. So this gives you an idea of the streets, the neighborhood, and what you have to offer. 650,000, you could have a home here in the beautiful community or suburb city of Woodstock, Georgia. And remember, if you want to make a smooth move to Metro Atlanta and you're looking for a suburban home, I'm your lady. I'm Vita Wooten, and I can help you make that smooth move to Woodstock, Georgia.